collect the little food there and come back quick. Driver, just remember the damn speed limit, cause if you're running the fence, man.
Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making some spicy Jamaican hot pepper prawn in my kitchen. Take a look at my pepper prawn. So juicy and mouth-watering. If you want to learn this recipe, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. I have all my ingredients here. I've got me my prawn right here. Look at it, guys. I've already washed and cleaned my prawn. Look at it already. I've got my garlic right here, my fresh garlic. I've got my scallion. Got my hot Scotch bonnet pepper. I could smell the pepper already. I've got my white onion. And I've got me some dried thyme. I've got all my season here. I've got my paprika, powdered paprika. Got my black pepper. Got my garlic powder. I've got my allspice. I don't leave my allspice. And I've got my all-purpose Maggi powdered seasoning. So guys, let's get this process started. My pot is hot and I'm gonna add me some oil. I'm gonna saute all my seasoning together, going in with my white onion. My Scotch bonnet pepper. Just gonna use a little. My scallion. My garlic. And my dried thyme. Oh my God, guys, I wish you all could smell the lovely smell of the different types of seasoning. So now, guys, I'm going in with my pimento seed. Smell is everything, guys. And I'm gonna go in with my prawn. Look at my prawn, guys. Add everything inside. Just give it a stir. It's a nice stir, making sure everything is combined together. Combine all that seasoning. Combine everything together, guys. At this point, I'm gonna add all my powdered seasoning to my pepper prawn. Take a look, guys. I'm just gonna give this a stir, making sure all my seasoning, all my spice, everything is combined together properly. You want to ensure that you stir continuously to ensure each side change its color. So I'm just gonna continue to stir until everything is combined, everything changes its color. So yes, guys, and make sure your heat is on low heat. Now guys, I'm gonna go in with my Hunt's ketchup. I'm gonna add some ketchup to it. Then I'm gonna add me some Grace hot pepper. Then I'm gonna add some white vinegar. And we are back. Take a look at my pepper prawn. Look at the color, all my seasoning, everything is combined together. And now I'm going to add my base with the ketchup, the vinegar, and the hot sauce. Look at that, guys. I can't wait to bite in this bad boy. And I'm just gonna give this a stir, making sure everything is combined together. All that seasoning, all those spice, everything, a nice juicy flavor. Look at that, guys. My Jamaican pepper prawn in my kitchen. I'm gonna leave this for 5 minutes time on low heat so that everything comes to a boil. So guys, see you back in 5 minutes time. And voila! Take a look at my pepper prawn in my kitchen, the Jamaican way. It's all finished, guys, so you know say a time for we eat, time for we dig in. So go get your plate and let's dig in together, guys. I saw we roll. There you have it, guys, my pepper prawn in my kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. From my kitchen to yours. Enjoy and try it at home and tell me how it tastes. Bye, guys.